Do you ever feel unheard in today's world? Do you wonder why your presence doesn't echo like the warriors of old? It's not just you. Today's tide has softened men's resolve, muted the roar that once commanded respect. But why? I, Odin, see the silent struggle in modern men's hearts. In this noise-filled age, true strength seems shadowed, your spirit stifled. But it's time to reignite the Viking fire within, to turn whispers back into war cries. I'm about to reveal the 8 ways to make people respect you instantly. Number 1, Stoicism, the shield against life's arrows. In the age of Vikings, emotions were a luxury unafforded in the heat of battle. Today your battles are different, but the principle remains. Show not the world your worries or fears. Embrace Stoicism. Let your calm demeanor be the rock against which the waves of chaos break. In silence, find strength. In turmoil, be the stillness. This is the way of the Viking, the way of the respected. Number 2, speak like the thunder, potent and deliberate. When Odin speaks, the 9 realms listen. Your words hold power. Use them sparingly. In a world that prattles without pause, be the one whose words are few, but carry the weight of mountains. Speak slowly, decisively, and watch as others lean in to catch the wisdom you dispense. This is not just communication, it's commanding presence. Number 3, attire yourself in the armor of respect. In times ancient, a Viking's garb was not mere cloth, but a statement of their stature. In your realm, let your attire speak before you do. Dress not for fashion, but for respect. Let each piece you wear be chosen with purpose, as if preparing for battle. The modern warrior knows, respect often meets you before your handshake does. Number 4, forge your physique, not just for war, but for wisdom. A Viking's strength was revered, but it was their capability that legends are made of. In this era, your battlefield might be different, but the principle remains. Craft a body that's not just strong, but capable, signaling to the world that you are not just a figure, but a force. When you stand tall, unyielding, others can't help but look up to you. Number 5, master your craft like the blacksmith masters the sword, and let success be your battle cry. In the Viking Age, to master was to survive, to excel was to thrive. Your craft is your weapon, your excellence, your shield. Pursue success with the tenacity of a berserker in battle. When you are the master of your realm, respect naturally follows, as wolves are drawn to the alpha of the pack. Number 6, wield the power of decisiveness like the strike of Mjolnir. In a world muddled by indecision, be the one who acts while others hesitate. Your decisiveness is your signature, your unwavering resolve, your legacy. When you decide with conviction and act without faltering, you command not just attention, but respect. Number 7, build alliances as the Vikings forged their longships, strong and steadfast. Respect is not just taken, it's given, and it's earned. Surround yourself with those who sharpen you as iron sharpens iron. Be loyal, be honorable, and demand the same. In unity, find strength. In camaraderie, command respect. Number 8, finally, walk the path less trodden with the courage of a Viking setting sail into the unknown. In your journey, embrace challenges as opportunities to prove your mettle. When you choose the rugged path over the well-trodden road, when you face adversity with a grin, you do not just earn respect, you inspire it. The journey does not end here. The fjord calls for you, warrior. It beckons you to rise, to embrace these Viking ways, and to etch your name in the annals of the modern age. Will you answer the call? Will you lead not just with words, but with actions? For the path to greatness is not just found in respect, but in the legacy you choose to leave behind.